close, we'll try to hit 10 million cake up on that.
John Pizza.
Recording right now? Okay. I don't say.
We'll look at TJ Hunt now. TJ Hunt man.
So guys, just got this Supra. Yeah, so we're doing a downpipe and elbow on my Supra, not a 180. So yeah, so we're just doing the elbow and downpipe on my 180 today. Shout out from Garage to for the goods.
Uncle Joel, that'll be, I don't even know.
No, I whispered it, so it's like...
That'll be an SR, real quick.
No, I whispered it, so it won't be too much money for him to pay, because I whispered it.
Oh, so just 1,000 then?
Yeah, just 1,000, yeah. You're welcome, Joel.
Uncle Joel owes us a rack for the shout out. He's also going to be in a video. Look skinny till I flex, check. So what are we doing? We're doing the elbow and
downpipe today. We're gonna burn our hands.
Because what's going on? You're just straight downpipe right now, right? You're just scraping all over the place? What's going on?
Man, I got this stock downpipe. Look at this,
stock
man.
Downpipe?
Get a job.
Doesn't even sound like there's a turbo on this thing.
Get a job, man.
Yeah, so you're not making any Choochie Boy noises at all?
Not really. I don't know.
I don't even think... where is the turbo?
Dude, the turbo's not even there, man. It's gone.
It doesn't sound like there is one, so...
Man, this is a KA.
I think if you don't hear any Schoolie Boy noises after this, you got chapped, eh?
Yeah. Finally gotta go bought this car from him, beat him up, you know? Give him a little tune-up.
No, it needs metal intercooler piping. Then you hear turbo sounds.
Yeah, your cap. How long have you had the front mount? What are you doing? Slap it in.
I got it yesterday, man.
The front mount? You had that shit for like like at least 3 months.
No, it's for like at least like 2 days.
This is why there's no fucking boost sound.
I'm gonna film. Adam's gonna sit down, so
okay.
You can take this. You can take over on this video.
Yeah, I got the workplace injury.
Okay, we gotta like. Can we like please hurry up though? Cause I gotta like get a job. Gotta like pick up my grandma from the nursing home. It's like her 7th birthday. I'm gonna take her on a nice date.
Your grandma?
Why? As soon as the camera comes out, man, I swear to God. What the fuck?
Sean Pizza on Dem Beats.
I got it off, but I got the downpipe bracket is still on. I should get a 13, but I can't. Oh, can't find my 13.
Wait, did you only pull 2 bolts out of the turbo, Nelson?
Yeah.
There's way more than 3.
There's 5. No, there's.
You're capping.
No, this one there's 1, 2.
Come on.
No, there's 5.
You just dicked, eh? What's going down there, Nelson?
Getting shit in my eye, man. Oh, it's the camera. Hello.
Hi, Nelson.
There's a bolt down here that's at a fucking Dickard angled, man. He's a fucking off, man. You know, get the off.
Language, man. You're gonna get us demonetized. So me and Adam have been sitting down over there for 3 hours. Nelson told me to get the camera. So what's going on?
He's about to come off, man.
About to come off, dude? Oh, you're way down there. Holy shit.
Yeah, man. Ah, dude, you're sitting on my hair.
I'm sitting on your hair.
You're sitting on my hair.
Holy fuck. Sorry about it. This is the old one here.
Little
Couple dirty dents. Nice
couple
little
holes.
exhaust leak in there. Nice job.
That's what you want. You want an exhaust leak.
Honestly, this is from this morning. No respect for the studio, eh?
No respect, spitting plastic everywhere.
Chooching it in?
Hey, man. I'm just gonna spray some liquid wrench on that
What
nut.
if I just fucking fired you on, dude? What'd you even do, huh?
Should we spray this?
Hey, where's your O2 sensor?
It's on the stock one.
Okay. Oh, it's still on there?
Yeah.
Fuck. Finally got it done, hey?
Finally, man.
Sun's going down, buddy. What happened?
Midnight.
What are you gonna do? Clean up and then start her up, see if it sounds any different? Probably gonna sound worse because it's not tight.
Hey, shut up, GoPro.
We won't get into that. That's alright. We'll cut that out.
I think by the time this video to upload, do you think like upload before or after the 27th?
What's the date today?
The 14th. So I'm gonna text Joel and be like, cause this car is in a fucking alignment.
Gonna get Uncle Joel to fix it for you.
Yeah,
Okay?
I'm gonna get an alignment scheduled for 27th, and then just be like, yo, so there's like some bolts that aren't loose.
It's a problem for Uncle Joel, eh? Well, right on. Got the old unit there. The new unit. There she blows, boys. Right on. Get this fucking clunker out of my street, man. Out the damn studio.
Get a fucking job, man.
Jesus, man.
That was pretty
Getting
loud,
a little
actually.
aggressive there.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'll ban you from the studio. Don't even fucking test me, dude.
Okay. Well, if that guy's watching.
Feel bad
this,
now? You want to apologize?
Yeah, if that
Say sorry.
guy's watching the videos, I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to say fucking. I meant to say get a job.
You mean that?
Yeah.
Okay, I forgive you.
It's alright, it's fine.
Alright, well, we're gonna do a quick little cleanup, and then we'll come back when it's started.
Yes.
Right arm?
Are you rags?
I got rags.
Okay.
Right arm. Nice.
How do you feel about this Noah being done? Wait, film your
good.
face. Film your face. Come on. Did the fans want to see the pretty Noah's face, man? Come on.
I feel pretty good that Nelson can finally get his clunker out from in front of my driveway. Because I think all my neighbors hate me because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shitty cars here. Not the best look. It's alright.
Well, I mean, at my house, I have this and then my rusty Corolla.
Gonna keep
What?
chooching, you know?
Dude, man, Snap-on. Got this thing like 3 days ago. Watch this.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Boop.
Yeah, that's how you adjust it.
Boop.
You didn't know that?
Oh man, you just pull it down. Just like, oh, it's right there. Boom.
Your shit's already broken.
Okay,
man.
don't.
Shouldn't
cut
have
that.
bought it. Shouldn't have bought it.
Cut
Junk.
that out
Junk.
of the video. Cut that out of the video.
All right, Nelson. So you cleaned up.
Sort of. I would.
You found all your tools. You didn't lose anything. You didn't
Pretty
die.
value, yeah.
You broke a little bit.
Yeah, I
of,
didn't
you
die with
broke some
people
bolts.
driving like 300 kilometers down this, hitting Mach 3 speeds. I'm under there like wrench go. I'm like, holy man, this close to my feet.
Yeah.
No respect for the studio.
So it's man, you don't have respect for the fucking studio.
Fuck you, man.
Fuck you, man.
Fuck your studio.
Fuck your studio.
Dude, come on.
Okay, fucking start it up, man. Alright, Nelson.
Huh?
Kill it, dude.
Huh?
Yeah, you and your damn turbo time, right? Holy. Well, what do you think?
Decent mods, decent mods. I got a quick question for the fucking fans.
Yeah, what's that?
So like the question of the day is, or like the video, is how do flies stick to surfaces so well? No, like
I know. I'll tell you right now.
that's a bunch of hands, that's a bunch of feet and stuff.
They
right?
got the little hair things on their
yeah, I
fucking
know,
hands
dude,
and
come on,
feet,
man. I
dude.
know that, but like it's like a good thing in the video. They could be like, oh, they.
That was a dumb question, Nelson.
What about what's your favorite sandwich meat?
Okay, they're
That's a good one.
What's your favorite meat to put on your sandwich?
Jelly.
Ham, pastrami, fucking
Or wait, actually,
salami,
Wait,
bologna.
what's your
Bologna's kind of.
what's your Arizona flavor choice?
Sure. Answer whatever question you
Yeah.
want. They'll all be in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys can pick. But yeah, right
Also,
on.
I
Why
like a
does-
Genoa salami Subway sandwich.
Sure, with the friggin' sweet onion sauce and shit.
It's good value too.
Yeah.
I like a meatball sub.
Nelson, what can the people look forward to seeing on the 180? Because no one cares about your Corolla. You should just sell that real quick.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna sell it. So got a front mount intercooler.
When's that
Side-
going in?
Whenever, man.
Whenever?
I don't gotta do the battery thing.
Oh yeah, true. You gotta relocate that shit?
Yeah. Or just get a
Nice,
smaller
nice.
one. I'm gonna get a smaller one. And then side skirts.
Oh yeah, you got side skirts
And
coming?
then what are these spoilers called? But we're not gonna say where we got it from. She's gonna be surprised.
Diffuser, I guess.
You
Yeah.
got a little bottom mount spoiler?
Yeah, bottom
with,
mount spoiler, but hey, don't tell them. It's gonna be a surprise of what's gonna
Oh,
be
the one
from.
off.
Yeah.
No one's ever done that shit
Yeah,
before.
I've never
It's gonna
seen it
be
done.
Rare, dude.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be rare,
It's
but
gonna be
like
fire. No,
anyone
rare.
could do
so
it.
rare.
It's gonna be rare JDM.
It's gonna be rare JDM fire, bro.
cost you like $70 to do, but like no one's done it before. I'm not trying to spend $400 on.
You're one of the first, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Not one of. You are.
Nelson
Yeah.
making fucking
Big moves, big money moves.
Huge moves.
what are those things called?
Dude, these are moves.
Starting trends.
Yeah, you trendsetter.
Dude, these
dude.
are trends that can like get pages from 15K to like a million K.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
10 million K. Yeah, that's the goal.
I'll tell you right now,
Mhm.
it's never happening.
It's gonna
Anyway.
happen. Oh, bad attitude.
You gotta make sure you subscribe,
Yeah.
eh?
Subscribe.
Please.
Like the video.
Please subscribe.
Like
Please.
fucking video.
Nice cock, ballistic ball sack.
Should I give her a skidoo?
Sure, you can skidoo it. We haven't done it in a minute.
Skidoo!
Nice.
With the fucking guy bike in the background?
Holy
No
no, you don't
respect.
respect the studio. He doesn't respect the studio. Fuck, man. Nelson, you ruined it for everyone, right?
I guess.
Also try to